Okay, when the program starts up, realize what you're looking at is that you are at an airport right at the center of this screen, and you are looking at the radar display from an air traffic controller. You want to look for your airplane and find it. You don't want to take your reading right away, but let the airplane move a significant distance away from the airport so you have less percent error when you do this. I would try to have it past the 20-kilometer line, and then I would pause my display. At that point, you want to start making estimates. So you want to estimate about how far the airplane has traveled in terms of distance. Again, this is the 20-kilometer, 25-kilometer, 30-kilometer. You're judging by the front of the airplane, so this is probably somewhere in the ballpark of about 27 kilometers. You want to put that distance into meters. We know in order to get how fast the object is traveling that we're going to use distance over time, and that 27,000 meters will be our distance. You then want to look at the time, and this is the number of seconds that have passed since the airplane departed from the airport. Then you want to get out your calculator and you want to work through. And again, please don't use my numbers. Use the numbers you get when you do this. Each time this is done, you'll get a different set of numbers, different airplane heading off in different directions at different speeds. This works out to 250 meters per second, and that is how fast the plane is traveling. We're not done yet because we also want to know what heading it has. So as best you can, look at the heading. Here's 120, 130, 140, 150. It looks like we're almost, but not quite, right between 140 and 150. So I'm going to pick a heading of about 144 degrees. And that's what you want to enter into your program. When you click on the End button, it'll ask for your name. It'll ask you how fast the plane is traveling in meters per second. Use this number. Don't put the units. The units are already written next to the question. Then it wants the heading. And again, don't put the degree symbol, but you would just type in the 144. All should go according to plan, and you should get a certificate saying that you did it correctly. Please share the certificate with your teacher. If you still are not getting it right, try it one more time. And if it is still not correct, reach out to your teacher and ask them to guide you through the problem personally.